Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to see your Instagram Reels watch history. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. Instagram recently added a feature that allows you to see your Reels watch history, which is super useful if you watched a reel you liked and want to find it again, or if you want to share it with someone later. You can also filter your watch history to quickly find specific reels, and you even have the option to delete individual reels from your history or clear it entirely. To get started, open Instagram and go to your profile page. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. This will open Settings and Activity. Scroll down to the section called How You Use Instagram and tap on your activity. Here, you'll see different types of activity like likes, comments, and interactions. Keep scrolling down until you find the Watch History option. Tap on Watch History, and you'll now see all the reels you've watched. You can tap on any reel to watch it again. At the top, you can use filters to help you find what you're looking for. For example, you can filter by date range if you remember when you watched a specific reel. Just select a start date and an end date, and Instagram will show you only the reels from that time period. If you want to remove reels from your watch history, tap Select in the top right corner. Choose the reels you want to delete, then tap Remove at the bottom. You can also use additional filters, like filtering by creator, which makes it even easier to find specific content. And that's it! Now you know how to see and manage your Instagram Reels watch history.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.